Okay, messing around with the Sparrows Mace picks again. Let's see if I can do this in a reasonable amount of time. I was able to do this a few times, so I'm kind of cheating here. Alright. Going late on attention at first, till we get our full set. I don't know where we at here. Right there. Yeah. There we go, full set. Now, let's see if we can lift this guy. Get on him good. Okay. I don't know if I got him up high enough. Let's see what happens here. I think that's our binder. Nope. There we go. Ah, come on. I overset him. Oh, and we're open. Okay, Mace picks folded off again.